The biggest challenge is to connect OT and IT, and that's what we are aiming for with the digital services. My name is Modler. I'm team lead of Digital of Customer Services located in Heusenstamm. So monitoring becomes a real benefit when you predict a failure before it happens. Effects like aging effects and wear and tear only show over time. The risk is that equipment starts to fail sporadically, but it could show in the data because we could monitor tendencies and predict failures. You cannot optimize what you cannot see. For the customer, that means that we implement gateways, sensors like temperature and vibration sensors, and then we need a connectivity, which means we need to connect the gateways to a platform in order to analyze the data. By supporting the customer and the experts of the customer, we can reduce the time needed to fix some troubles, and we can also provide them with a transparency that they lacked before, which makes their operations more efficient and smoother. As a result, they have a higher confidence in their existing systems. Digital services can play a role of supporting the sustainability of a site, since we can provide transparency and more data, which can then be used to prolong the lifetime of a site.